Achieve a fresh complexion, detoxifying face masks for a glow. Title: Achieve a fresh complexion, detoxifying face masks for a glow. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, our skin is constantly exposed to various pollutants and toxins, which can take a toll on our complexion. Regular exposure to pollution, impurities, and even stress can lead to dull and congested skin. However, by incorporating detoxifying face masks into our skincare routine, we can rejuvenate our complexion and achieve a fresh, glowing look. In this article, we will explore the benefits of detoxifying face masks, different types available, and how to incorporate them effectively into your skincare regimen. Section 1: Understanding the benefits of detoxifying face masks, 250 words. Detoxifying face masks are specially formulated to unclog pores, remove impurities, and nourish the skin at a deep level. By drawing out toxins and excess oil from the skin's surface, these masks help improve overall complexion and minimize the appearance of blemishes and acne. Let's explore the key benefits in detail. 2. Removing excess oil. Excess oil production can lead to breakouts and contribute to a greasy appearance. Detox masks help control oil production, resulting in a more balanced complexion. 3. Unclogging pores. Regular use of detoxifying masks helps remove dirt, dead skin cells, and sebum that clog pores. This prevents acne breakouts and promotes smooth, clear skin texture. They can also help tighten the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Section 2: Types of detoxifying face masks, 400 words. There are various types of detoxifying face masks available in the market. Understanding the different types and their key ingredients can help you choose the one that suits your skin type and concerns. Here are some popular types. 1. Clay masks. Clay masks, such as bentonite or kaolin clay, are highly effective in drawing out impurities, absorbing excess oil, and tightening pores. They are particularly beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin. 2. Charcoal masks. Activated charcoal masks have gained popularity due to their ability to deep cleanse and detoxify the skin. Charcoal acts like a magnet for impurities, drawing out toxins and leaving the skin fresh and purified. 3. Fruit enzyme masks. Fruit enzyme masks contain natural fruit extracts, such as papaya or pineapple, which naturally exfoliate the skin and promote cellular turnover. These masks are perfect for dull or congested skin, as they gently remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. 4. Sheet masks. Sheet masks are pre-cut fabric masks soaked in a serum that often includes detoxifying ingredients like green tea or tea tree oil. They are convenient to use and provide an instant boost of hydration, while the serum delivers detoxifying benefits. 5. DIY masks. Many natural ingredients commonly found in our kitchens, like honey, yogurt, or oatmeal, can be combined to create a homemade detoxifying face mask. These DIY masks are affordable, easy to make, and gentle on the skin. Section 3: Incorporating detoxifying face masks into your skincare routine, 500 words. To reap the maximum benefits from your detoxifying face mask, it's important to use them correctly and incorporate them into a well-rounded skincare routine. Here are some essential steps to follow. 1. Cleanse. Start by cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or excess oil. Choose a gentle cleanser tailored to your skin type to avoid stripping away natural oils. 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliating the skin prior to applying a face mask enhances its effectiveness. Use a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, allowing the mask to penetrate deeper. 3. Apply mask. Follow the instructions provided with your chosen face mask to apply an even layer on your face, avoiding the delicate eye and lip areas. Use a brush or your fingertips to spread the mask evenly. 4. Relax and wait. Allow the mask to sit on your face for the specified time, typically 10 to 15 minutes, or as recommended on the packaging. Use this time to relax, meditate, or engage in other activities that reduce stress. 5. Rinse and tone. After the recommended time has passed, rinse off the mask thoroughly with lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions to enhance the exfoliating effect. Follow up with a toner to restore the skin's pH balance and prepare it for subsequent skincare steps. 6. Moisturize. Finish your skincare routine with a suitable moisturizer to lock in hydration and nourishment. This step is essential to keep your skin hydrated after the detoxifying process. Section 3. Incorporating detoxifying face masks into your skincare routine, continued. 7. Frequency. It's important to find a balance with how often you use detoxifying face masks. For most skin types, using a face mask once or twice a week is sufficient to achieve the desired results. However, if you have sensitive skin, it's best to start with once a week and gradually increase if your skin tolerates it well. 8. Patch test. Before applying a new face mask, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies, it's recommended to do a patch test. Apply a small amount of the mask on your inner forearm and wait for 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. If there are no signs of irritation or redness, it's safe to proceed with using the mask on your face. 9. Customize. While there are plenty of ready-to-use face masks available, don't be afraid to customize your own masks based on your skin's specific needs. You can mix and match ingredients like clay, charcoal, fruit extracts, and essential oils to create a mask that addresses your individual concerns and preferences. 10. Consult a professional. If you have severe skin conditions or are unsure about which detoxifying face mask to use, it's always advisable to consult a dermatologist or skincare professional. They can provide personalized recommendations and guidance based on your skin type, concerns, and medical history. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Incorporating detoxifying face masks into your routine can contribute to a healthier complexion, but it's essential to be patient and consistent in order to see long-term results. By following these steps and taking care of your skin both internally and externally, you can achieve a fresh complexion and enjoy the glow that comes with it. Section 3. Incorporating detoxifying face masks into your skincare routine, continued.